Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering and readying the mouse. Plug the USB-C cable in and charge for at least 30 minutes so firmware updates install reliably. Once done, remove any protective film and verify the LED indicates charging or full battery. Now plug the supplied wireless dongle into a rear USB port on your PC. That gives the cleanest signal. Make sure your system is on and not in sleep. This initial power and dongle placement prevents pairing hiccups and ensures stable first contact. Next, pair and configure. Press the pairing sequence on the G Pro X Superlight until the LED blinks, signaling ready to pair. Then open Logitech G run it as administrator so it can install drivers and firmware without interruption. Once G detects the mouse, apply any firmware updates immediately. This fixes latency and sensor tweaks. Configure DPI, polling rate, 1000 Hz for competitive play, and assign buttons. These steps calibrate how the mouse behaves and finally, optimize and handle problems. Test the mouse in your main game and fine-tune DPI and liftoff distance in GHUB for predictable flicks and tracking. If you see lag, first reseat the dongle into a rear port, try a different USB port, or move other wireless devices away to reduce interference. Also try a fresh charge or battery. If settings are corrupted, perform a factory reset by following the reset sequence. Then repair. That resolves stubborn pairing or profile issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.